Imagine transforming your entire desk setup with just one purchase, getting everything you need for gaming and work, all lit up in vibrant RGB. This Tofficu G308 set promises exactly that, but does it deliver a truly cohesive and ergonomic experience? Right out of the box, the first thing that grabs your attention is the lighting. The Tofficu G308 doesn't just give you a keyboard, it gives you a light show. The RGB LED lighting on the keyboard, mouse, and even the headset isn't just for aesthetics. It genuinely adds a layer of fun, especially during those late-night gaming sessions or when you're just trying to add some personality to your workspace. It's colorful, dynamic, and really caters to both intense game usage and even just brightening up your daily office tasks. It truly makes nighttime usage a more immersive and enjoyable experience. Beyond the flashy lights, the ergonomic design is a standout feature. This isn't just about looking cool, it's about comfort during those long hours. Whether you're deep into an epic quest or crunching numbers, the design aims to keep you comfortable, reducing strain. The workmanship here feels solid, with a reasonable structure that suggests durability. It feels professional and practical, designed to bring convenience to your daily computer interactions, making it a reliable companion for both work and play. What's truly impressive about the Tofficu G308 is its versatility. It's clearly designed with gamers in mind, offering that immersive RGB experience, but it's equally at home in an office setting. This makes it a fantastic all-in-one solution for anyone needing a complete peripheral upgrade. And speaking of value, if you're looking for a thoughtful present for a gaming enthusiast friend or family member, this set is a brilliant choice. It's practical, looks great, and covers all the essential bases, making it a gift that truly keeps on giving. Overall, the Tofficu G308 wired RGB gaming mouse and keyboard set with headset is more than just a collection of peripherals. It's a cohesive, well-thought-out package that brings vibrant aesthetics, ergonomic comfort, and practical functionality to your desk. It's a solid contender for anyone looking to elevate their gaming or work setup without breaking the bank, offering a truly convenient and enjoyable experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.